Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's take a look again in the euro currency. So you can see that on the daily we mostly have the same picture as yesterday. So market stands in a tight consolidation after the dramatic action here. So this wash and rinse has happened, and yesterday we said that market still keeps the bullish sentiment, bullish context for trading. It's one moment that should happen that could make us to change our mind if market will really drop below this area. So, but now we see the opposite action, although this action yesterday was not really very fast and strong, but some important features have been achieved, important moments. And here is market actually challenging the 1650 resistance right now. So, and here's what we will be watching for today. So on the follow time frame chart, yesterday I talked about the two possible scenarios of the upward action. Yesterday we have recognized this divergence, and we said keep an eye on the grabbers, guys. If you will see the grabber, it will be the first scenario where market could turn upward action immediately, because that will be classical upside reversal in the middle of the triangle. So usually, as you know from the classic technical analysis, this market shows the ping pong action inside of the triangle, so from the lower bottom to the upper bottom, and here. But if market hits the hit the board, it turns in opposite direction, but doesn't reach and touch the opposite border and turns in the same direction again, this is the early sign that the breakout should happen. So, and that was what we particularly have got yesterday. Even more here, guys, you can see we have got not just one grabber but two grabbers side by side. As a result, this breakout has happened. Market taken out of this top. That now tells that grabbers have been completed. So because market has completed the minimum target. The first moment to watch for today is this kind of the, I don't know, flag consolidation, let's call it in this manner, right after the breakout of the triangle. In fact, the flag consolidation is the bullish pattern, because the flag is a continuation pattern. So market right now stands in 1650 resistance. You can see this also fib level. The one thing that we do not want to see, guys, is the return back inside of the triangle. So in this case, we could say this will be failure breakout and downward action really will be possible. So as market already has shown the upward breakout of this triangle, it should stay above it. Once it has been broken, market should stay above it. So if it will not happen and market drops right back down, this will be a very negative sign. So currently, as you can see, everything stands well. On the hourly chart, the second issue that we have discussed, if you remember here, we talked about the possible Gartner steeple to buy with the 1535 area that could be met, but fortunately for us, we've got the grabbers, the market turns up immediately. Right now, take a look, that market has completed right at the major 1650 resistance, two targets. The first target is minor A, B, C, bottom, COP, contracted objective point, 618 extension of the AB leg, and also this minor XOP target, extended objective point. This is from minor inner A, B, C, bottom, XOP. So that is normal consolidation here, guys, as the market's taking pause in upward action. But take a look at here we have the thrusting action, here we have the thrusting action. So I think that actually it's not bad chance on the possible breakout of this area. The nearest target, guys, that we will be watching for is 1675. This will be OP, destination point of this ABCD pattern, and also it will be 127 extension of this butterfly that I have drawn here. So you can see that market is also forming high lows, so also good sign. So currently we do not see any reasons to change our view on the euro currency, so it still keeps the bullish context, behaves really well. And right now we see the absolutely normal pause in upward action because market hits the fib level. It has completed a couple of targets. Also here is the weekly pivot resistance one. So if you plot the pivots, you'll see. So this is normal pause in upward direction. The one thing that is crucial right now is triangle border. So we don't want to see the market return right back down. So here, if market will start dropping, return right back down here, dropping in the area of the C point, well, guys, this will be not good sign. So if you have long positions based on the grabbers that we have talked about recently, you could move your stops to the break-even. Watch what will happen. So others, if you would like to take the long position, you need to get some bullish continuation pattern. So for example, you could use a flag pattern that is forming, or maybe if you drop your time frame even more, here kind of the garter steeple to buy will be formed on the 5-minute chart. Maybe some other patterns will be formed for upward continuation. Use some fib support areas from the most recent leg for trying to take the long position if you would like to. So, but be prepared, be ready that if market will drop below this trend line, this will be a clear sign of something bad for the bulls, because this will be not good sign. So that's what we'll be watching for today on the euro currency. But I hope that everything will goes well, and market already has started the upward direction. So I hope it will be continued.